Hi there, welcome to Crypto Gems. In today's video, we're going to take a closer look at the Tokenpuss NFT. This video is not a financial advice. This video is just for educational and entertainment purpose only, so please do your own research. Please don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe, and all the links will be mentioned in the description box below. Alright, so this is the website of Tokenpuss NFT. You can access it by going to tokenpuss.com. As per the website, you can own the new super rare piece of digital art and make your own collection more valuable. 10% of them are only remaining as of now. You can click over here to mint your own NFT. So Tokenpuss is a new generation of Platypus in the metaverse. There are only 5,555 unique individuals of our kind, and we live in ETH land. We love to be in the center of attention and always tend to be a bit cheeky, especially when we meet our newcomers. We've teamed up with our cousins from down under, the Australian Platypus, and we are donating 10% of our profits to the Australian Wildlife Conservation to help the breed and protect the species. You can click over here to join their Discord and stay connected with the community. It has also been supported by some of the famous celebrities over here. We have Jason Derulo, who has 8.6 million followers on Instagram. We have Little Pump over here, who has 15.6 million followers on Instagram, and so on. So that's a good thing, because the more popularity the project has when it is being supported by famous people out there, it has more potential to grow and scale in future. It has also been featured in Global Stats, Open News, Times Now, Cointelegraph, Wentz magazine, and also this is a little picture of the NFT on the NYC Times Square. In terms of the roadmap of the company, the stage 1 was where a star is born. So every 10th of the first 100 owner is getting an airdrop plus weekly giveaways to followers. 25% sold AMA with a team, 50% sold special giveaway of $2,000 worth of Ethereum. There was a lot of advertisement and backing up of the project with articles in Cointelegraph, Global Stats, US Times Now, Wentz magazine. There are IG posts on following pages. So all of these are the famous people out there who have very impressive number of followings. Twitter advertisement with Crypto Hawk, Jimmy Papfane, OKEX summary, who have really good amount of followers. Celebrities who backed up the project: Jason Derulo, Chantal Jeffries, Little Pump, Bow Wow, Michael Beasley. YouTube videos with Michael Rubel, who has 306,000 followers, CryptoScope 1.8k followers, Rico Copeland 64.5k followers, listing the project on Rarity Snipper, adopting 2 platypuses under Tokenpuss name, introduce staking to holders. Every 500,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, and 5,000th owner is getting a unique piece of merchandise, and 100% sold. So we are giving $10,000 worth of Ethereum to a lucky minter with a specific token. With stage 2, integrating Tokenpuss in the real world, growing the real value. So raise the floor price by marketing and advertisement on the projects, working with NFT and crypto YouTubers to raise awareness about Tokenpuss project. Another run with the PR on websites like Yahoo Finance. And in the Q1 of 2022, there will be a start of Tokenpuss Meta Gallery. So they will focus on developing the concept of gallery reward opportunities for Tokenpuss NFT holders, working on physics and design of the Tokenpuss Meta Gallery, developing marketing campaign for the gallery, beta testing for the Tokenpuss NFT members. In the Q2 of 2022, there will be introduction of the official rewards for Tokenpuss NFT holders, release of the Tokenpuss Meta Gallery on Oculus Quest and App Store, and they will focus on raising awareness of the project through marketing. In the Q3 and Q4 of 2022, there will be full promotion of the Tokenpuss Meta Gallery and possible game development, which is pretty cool when trading volume and the amount of the project will increase. This is the Discord page of Tokenpuss. You can accept the invite and join their Discord program. It's a nice way to stay connected with the project and also the community. It helps you stay updated about what's going on and also helps you evaluate the future potential a project might have. And this is the Twitter page of Tokenpuss NFT. Currently, they have 8,711 followers, which is very good because this project means it's in its very early stages. So that's good because you want to capture such NFT in their early stages before they become big things out there, because that's when you can make profit. There is also a little Twitter post over here by Jason Derulo, who is a very famous celebrity out there. He's also on board with Tokenpuss, so that's amazing. Because the more marketing, like I said, goes into this project, the more people will come to know about this project. The more people come to know about this project, the more they would be interested to learn about it and purchase the NFT. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe. If you do have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.